Hello friends, welcome to Assured Future. Today we are going to talk about LIC New Jeevan Sathi plan. This plan is specially designed for husband and wife. In this video, we will understand Plan 888 and Plan 889 and see how this unique plan can benefit you and your family. LIC New Jeevan Sathi is a joint life insurance plan for husband and wife. That means both lives are covered under one policy. This is a non-linked and non-participating plan. The benefits are based on the policy conditions and are not linked to the stock market. New Jeevan Sathi has two options. Plan 888 is a single premium plan. Here, you pay the premium only once. Plan 889 is a limited premium plan. In this plan, you can pay premiums for 5 years, 10 years or 15 years. First, let us understand Plan 888. This is a single premium plan. So, you pay the premium only once. As per LIC information, this plan provides a guaranteed addition of 70 rupees for every 1000 rupees of basic sum assured for each year, subject to the policy conditions. Now let us see Plan 889. This is a limited premium plan. You can choose a premium paying term of 5 years, 10 years or 15 years. The available policy terms are 10, 15, 20 and 25 years. One important feature of this plan is guaranteed addition. In Plan 888, the guaranteed addition is 70 rupees for every 1000 rupees of basic sum assured for each year. In Plan 889, the guaranteed addition is 7% of the total tabular annual premium during the premium paying term, as per policy conditions. This is a joint life policy. So, if one of the two lives dies first, the benefits will be paid and the policy will continue according to the plan rules. In Plan 889, if the first death happens during the premium paying term, premium waiver benefit is available as per the policy conditions. Premium waiver is an important feature of Plan 889. If the first death happens during the premium paying term, the future premium payments may be waived as per the policy conditions. This can reduce the premium burden on the family. If the policy continues until the end of the policy term, the applicable maturity benefit will be paid as per the policy conditions. So, this plan provides both long-term savings and life protection. Before taking the policy, always check the official LIC benefit illustration to know the actual benefits. This plan may be useful for married couples who want joint life protection under one policy. It may also be considered by people looking for long-term savings and guaranteed benefits instead of market-linked returns. Friends, one important point. We cannot say this plan is the best for everyone. Your age, your spouse's age, premium budget, policy term and insurance requirement are important. So, before buying the policy, please check the official LIC brochure, policy document and benefit illustration. So, friends, let's quickly understand the difference. Plan 888 is a single premium option, while Plan 889 is a limited premium option. Both plans are designed for joint life coverage of husband and wife, with benefits as per the policy conditions. If you found this information useful, please like and share this video. For more LIC plans, savings ideas, and financial planning videos, subscribe to Assured Future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.